Welcome to my detailed review of the National Law Review website, an essential resource for legal professionals and enthusiasts. From the moment you land on the homepage, you're greeted with a clean and professional layout designed for easy navigation. The top menu bar offers quick access to key sections, including legal news, topics, and expert insights, making it straightforward to locate the information you need. Point one of the standout features is the breadth of content available. The legal news section is constantly updated with current developments, covering topics from corporate law to intellectual property. Each article is authored by experienced legal professionals and provides well-researched insights. The topics section allows users to dive deeper into specific areas of law. Here, you'll find comprehensive coverage of niche subjects, with detailed articles that cater to both beginners and seasoned experts. Navigating the website is smooth thanks to its responsive design, which works seamlessly across both desktop and mobile devices. The search function is another highlight, offering precise and relevant results even for complex queries. This is particularly beneficial for legal professionals who need quick access to specific case law or regulatory updates. A unique feature of the National Law Review is its Expert Insights section, where industry leaders share their perspectives on emerging legal trends. These articles often include practical advice, which is highly valuable for professionals looking to stay ahead in their fields. Additionally, the website offers a subscription service that delivers tailored updates directly to your inbox, ensuring you never miss critical legal news. Another advantage of the National Law Review is its commitment to accessibility. The articles are written in clear and concise language, making complex legal concepts easier to understand. This aspect broadens the website's appeal to non-legal professionals who may need reliable legal information for business or personal matters. The website also includes a comprehensive resources section, featuring downloadable guides, white papers, and case studies. These materials provide in-depth analysis and are particularly useful for legal practitioners preparing for cases or expanding their knowledge base. Throughout the review, I'll demonstrate how to navigate these sections and highlight key features. I'll also share my personal experience using the website, including what I find most useful and areas where it could improve, such as adding more interactive tools like calculators or decision trees. Overall, the National Law Review is a robust platform for anyone seeking credible and up-to-date legal information. Whether you're a seasoned attorney, a law student, or just someone interested in legal matters, this website has a lot to offer. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on future reviews and insights. Your support helps me create more valuable content.